Let's talk about meekness. Meekness is not weakness. Okay. So, although it carries humility, kababaang loob, it does not necessarily mean that you are weak. Meekness in the Bible is just like saying na God, ikaw yung masusunod sa buhay ko. Hindi ako, at wala akong ipagmamalaki sa'yo. Even yung mga achievements ko dito sa lupa, ano man yung nagawa ko, ano man yung kakayanan ko, still, what your plan, what your will, what your purpose to me, yun yung pagkakatiwalaan ko kaya sa sarili kong will, kaya sa sarili kong alaman. Meek is being able to submit yourself to God, to someone who is higher than you. Meekness is not a sign of weakness, but therefore, it is a strength. Why? Kasi even though marami kang kayang gawin, marami kang ability, marami kang achievement, you still recognize that God is above you, that God is superior than you. He created you after all, therefore, mas alam niya at mas kilala ka niya. Kaya sa pagkakakilala at pagkakaalam natin ng mga bagay-bagay sa sarili natin. So, meekness is something that the Bible tells us na kailangan natin magkaroon ng kababaang loob. And not trusting ourselves, not trusting our ability, but trusting God, everything, sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa lahat ng oras, ano man ang mangyari, mas tiwala tayo sa plano ng ating Diyos sa buhay natin. Kaya sa plano mo, plano natin sa sarili natin. Meekness, again, is not a weakness.